I'm just wondering if there's not something that's blocking our drain. Because it seems like whenever it starts to drain water, it won't. Or that's when the machine will shut off. So maybe there's a safety in there picking up that the water drain is too slow, because it's draining, but it takes obviously a long time and there's still water in here. So there's got to be something going on with the drain. Either something's clogged. So anyways, I'm going to have to tear this thing apart. I got to get down to the bottom here, see if I can figure out the drain. I've messed with the drains on the Dexters, but I've never had any, I've never worked on these Speed Queens. So that's the plan. At least I'm going to go with that for now. I'm going to check the drain out, and if it's not the drain, that's the most obvious thing to me, is the drain. There's something blocking the drain, and that causes the washer to shut off. So I guess stay tuned and we'll see if my hunch is right. But I got to tear this thing open, and we're going to see if we can get this thing working. Real problem here. So I gathered some tools. I'm going to go ahead and try to pop this off. I got about half an hour before people start coming in, so let's see if I can pop this off to see what's going on. Alright, so here we go. Oh, I feel something in there. I can feel something. Oh, there's definitely some water in there. I wonder if I can get something put under there. Maybe I should. It's going to be a lot of water. I'll tighten that back up so it don't leak out. Let me get something put under there. Alright, so let's see if we can get this under here. Now we can take it apart. There's definitely something in there. There'll be quite a bit of water in there if that drum's... The bottom of this drum is full.